Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. Factory reset it, first take this lid off. It's attached with a magnet, so it's pretty easy to take it off. Then you can just press and hold on this button right here. It's a light, but it's also a button itself. And you need to press and hold it for over 5 seconds until it says about resetting to default settings. So let's press and hold.
Reset to default settings.
Now I can release and close the lid. And then I need to wait until it plays music and welcomes me, and I'll be ready to reconnect it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.